Here I've got Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra, and let me show you how to create new contact on the following device. So at first you have to open your phone dialer and now enter the number. So let me enter something like this and then tap on Add to Contacts. And you can create new contact or obviously update existing one, but we would like to create fresh new one, so just click on Create New Contact and now decide where it should be saved, in your internal storage or in your Google Calendar. I will pick phone. And now just enter the name of this friend of yours, so it can be Tim. Then you can enter some work info if you would like to. Email address, you can add it to some group. Enter address, you can assign some important date, you can enter relationship, also the address, website and so on. You can also customize the ringtone, just click on ringtone. And now you can pick some particular ringtone assigned to this contact only, so you will have no doubts who is calling you. Let me just, for example, Sky High. Let me go back. And as you can see, it has been changed. So this is it. And also you can change the vibration pattern. And I will pick Zig Zig Zig. And finally tap on Save, and this is it. As you can see, you just created a new contact. It's Team, you customize the sound and the vibration, and this is it. So that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.